So with the ultra technology and the VHD batteries, we've opened the door to applications, industrial applications that were never possible before. Okay? So we're gonna take a walk through the fab shop and take a look at what we've got. Starting with cordless impacts. We've got the impact driver, the 1/2-inch square impact wrenches. We're gonna take a look later on at the 400 BL brushless, the versatility of this tool and where it fits into the range. The metal tapping tool. This tool is very unique. One mode, drill driver mode like you're used to. The other mode used for tapping and threading holes for putting bolts in, screws, or whatever. Okay, we're gonna run this tool at the end. Die grinders, we've got two different ones as we mentioned in the presentation. High speed and a high torque. That depends on your application. Small bits like this, high speed. The larger diameter finishing bits, you would use the higher torque and a lower speed. Some unique features, you've got a spindle lock, so you only need one wrench on here instead of two. Makes it a lot easier to change your bits. The rotating battery pack, and a dust protection guard to keep all the metal shavings out of your motor. These features are common on all the tools you're going to see out here. They all have rotating battery packs, they all have the dust protection. Cordless beveling tool allows you to do 45-degree bevels, or you can do a rounded radius bevel. Your depth of cut is adjustable. It's down to the 1/10 of a millimeter. We have a cordless mag drill, 25.2 volts, has a rare earth magnet, so your batteries do not power the magnet. It can stick onto the metal whether you have a battery or not. Has a V-shaped base for going on pipes, so you don't need an adapter to attach to a pipe. You can do up to 1.25 inch hole with that tool. Up here we have the angle grinders, both brushless, 4.5 typically used for grinding, 6-inch typically used for cutting. Both of them have the brake, stops the accessory in 2 seconds or less. The flathead grinder for getting into tight spaces like that. The multi-bag charger you guys saw in the presentation, the only industrial solution for charging batteries because we can do 8 batteries at one time. You don't have to wait for one to be done to start the other. You just put them on there. It's air cooled. It immediately starts cooling the batteries down if they're hot, preparing them to charge. We have 3 tools here and 2 tools here, all part of what we call our inox line. That's the stainless steel finishing. So you've got tools for getting into tight spaces, tools for finishing pipes and rails. You've got a burnisher tool for flat surfaces, and a grinder for all kinds of multi-purpose flat surfaces, curves, whatever. All of these tools are specialized as far as their speed and torque for stainless steel. They have higher torque than our standard tools would have. Particularly the grinder has higher torque, lower speed because you're going to use it on stainless steel. The metal cutting bandsaw, 2.5 inch cut, depth of cut actually, and the 2 unique things, we have a brake here, shuts this tool down in 1 second or less when you let go of the trigger, and then we have the safety guard on the back so you're not exposed to the blade all the way around. The only place the blade is exposed is on the cutting edge where you're going to be doing your cutting. So when you pick this, if you pick this tool up or you rub against it, you're not going to cut yourself on the blade in any of these areas.
Hey Mark, did you take that tool, the grinder, some of the drills out of the picture, but the majority of the tools stayed on there? How many competitors are offering these tools?
Most of these tools, nobody.
Nobody.
Unique tools.
Unique tools.
Cordless tools.
Nobody has a tapper, nobody has a beveler, nobody has a high torque die grinder. I think there is a cordless mag drill, but not can do that kind of size hole. No flatheads, no stainless steel tools. Why?
Patent related or?
No, they're interested in high volume, high turnover, so they want to sell you this every day long. this one. If you want this one or that one, there's not enough money for them to make that tool. That's what Horst said today, is we are listening to the end user, listening to the metal fab people. What do they want? What do they need to solve the problems that they're working on? Right here, all of them. We are the only ones that offer a complete range in cordless.
A couple other tools we have sitting around here just to show you. The shop lights. We have two versions, a high visibility and then a standard Metabo green. The difference is the high visibility comes with a diffuser right on front and a protector, so this screen pops off. So like if you're welding, you get sparks on there or something, it's going to protect the lens. You can replace these out. This one is also rated waterproof rating IP56. Yeah, it diffuses the light so you don't get blinded.
Versus that one, which will completely blind you. This one also comes with a magnet as well.
Yeah, this one comes standard with a magnet, so you can stick it right on metal, and has a high and low, 2600 lumens on high, 1200 on low. That's the same for both. Also, like I started saying, waterproof rating IP56, meaning it can take a commercial hose down and it still will operate. So you can use it in a